Namaste. In this video, we are going to find x if given x minus 1 divided by square root x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus square root x minus 1 divided by 2. This question looks difficult but very simple question. Here just observe. Here given square root x plus 1 and here given x minus 1. So this one can be write square root x square, it means x, and 1 we can write 1 square. And denominator write as it is square root x plus 1. This is 4 plus square root x minus 1 divided by 2. Here we can use algebraic identity like a square minus b square. So we can factorize a plus b multiply a minus b. Here we can factorize into parentheses. So square root x plus 1 is square root x minus 1 divided by square root x plus 1. This is 4 plus square root x minus 1 divided by 2. And this is cancelled. So here just left square root x minus 1 is equal to 4 plus square root x minus 1 divided by 2. Here in the denominator 2, so whole equation we can multiply by 2. So this is 2 square root x minus 1 is equal to 4 times 2 8 plus square root x minus 1. Here square root x minus 1, here square root x minus 1. So this one we can transfer this side. So 2 square root x minus 1 we can write in the parenthesis. Here transfer, so negative square root x minus 1 is equal to 8. This is same thing, and here 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 we don't write, just write like this. Okay, is equal to 8. Now both side add 1 square root x. This is cancel. This is 9, and taking both side square. So square root x and square cancel, so we get just x. 9 square is 81, and this is the answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.